So these are 3 ways to improve your battery life so that it will last not just for 1 day or 2 days, but probably even 3 or 4 days, depending on how you use these tips and tricks that I'm about to share with you. So let's start. So starting at number 3 is turn off your location. So turning off your location, of course, will hugely improve your battery life on your iPhone. So by doing this, of course, it's pretty simple. Of course, you could just go to settings and then go on location and then click on the apps that are using your location. So an example of an app could be Airbnb, of course, that needs to know where you are and location and everything so that it can send you informations of nearby Airbnbs that you could go out and rent. So by turning off the location, of course, the app cannot use the GPS on your phone so that the GPS will not send your data to the app, and that will save your battery life, of course, because your GPS is connected to your data, which needs to be connected to the internet, and then the data, of course, is connected to your battery because the data needs a lot of battery, of course, just to keep running and keep you connected, of course, so that you're always connected to the internet with your iPhone. So by doing this, of course, you're just saving enough battery life, of course, for a few days, and also you're getting off location tracking so that if you don't want to be tracked, of course, by third-party apps, then that's another way that you could do, of course, is by turning off the location as well. So number 2 is stop running apps in the background. So this is a huge battery waster on the iPhone. Is all the apps that you have downloaded on your iPhone, they're always keep refreshing if you're connected to Wi-Fi or you're connected to your data when you're out and about. So by doing this, it's pretty simple. You can just go to settings, of course, and click on general, and it will show right there background app refresher. And then from there, you can just click it. You can turn it off all at once, or you could choose the apps that you want to choose as well. So by doing this, of course, you'll increase your battery life for a few days as well. You'll save the battery life, and you'll get to see which apps are actually using a lot of your Wi-Fi and your data, of course, just to keep up refreshing. Now, of course, apps do this like that. They can always send you information. So if you have a weather app like Carrot Weather, of course, it needs to be updating in the background so that I can send you the latest weather updates or the latest breaking news as well. If you have a news app, of course, they can always be connected in the background, keep running in the background so that they can send you the latest breaking news as well. So it's, of course, having these background app refreshers is sometimes really important, of course, but if you're trying to save battery and just want to have an improved battery life as well, then turning off that will hugely increase your battery life on your iPhone. So coming in number 1 is we have a nuclear option, and that is low power mode. You turn it on your iPhone. So by turning on low power mode, you're pretty much using only the minimal power on your iPhone, and it will turn off pretty much a lot of the background noise on your iPhone that's taking up a lot of battery. So a lot of updates and a lot of notifications will not be coming through until you turn off low power mode, because low power mode, of course, is your nuclear option to save a lot of your battery energy on your iPhone. So this is good, of course, if you're like out and about and maybe you're scared that you might not be coming home on time to charge your iPhone, then you can turn on low power mode so that you know you'll have enough battery for the whole day. Or even if you just don't want to, be bothered by a lot of notifications and a lot of mail notifications in the background coming in a lot, then turning on low power mode is another great way, of course, not just to save battery, but also to stay quiet from a lot of notifications that you'll be receiving, because low power mode will just stop a lot of that stuff from coming through, because all that notifications in the background and all those background apps will just be will not be able to send you all those notifications because of your low power mode option that you turned on. So those are some great ways to improve your battery life on your iPhone. So you have 3 options, of course, when it comes to saving your battery life, so that they can not just last for 1 or 2 days, but probably 3 or 4 days, depending on how you use your iPhone and how crazy you will go to save enough battery life when you're out and about as well. So if you enjoy these type of videos, it would be really cool if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because like that you always don't miss a new video when it's being uploaded. So other than that, I will see you guys later. Peace.